So hello all students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll start question answers. Today we'll complete question answers of class 8 chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastic. Now first question is explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Some fibers are called synthetic because they are made by human beings. Mark correct for the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers. The option is it has silk-like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fiber can be woven like those of natural fibers. The option is it is obtained from wood pulp. Now fill in the blanks. Synthetic fibers are called dash man-made or dash natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called dash petrochemicals. Now, like synthetic fibers, plastic is also dash polymer. Give example which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Parachute and ropes are the examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Plastic containers are good for storing food because they do not react with food items. They do not get rusted. They are light, strong and durable. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Now thermoplastic जो होते हैं get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. For example, polythene and PVC. Thermosetting plastic are those plastic which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. For example, bakelite and melamine. Explain why the following are made up of thermosetting plastic. A. Saucepan handles, electric plugs, switches, plug ports. Saucepan handles, electric plugs and switches are made up of thermosetting plastic because these plastic do not get softened on heating, and also thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductor of heat and electricity, so it is easier to handle the utensil while cooking. It does not get heated up while cooking. Now the question number 8. Categorize the material of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. So the product which can be recycled are toys, carry bags, plastic balls, electric wires, covering plastic chairs, and cannot be recycled telephone instrument, cooker, handles, ball pen, electrical switches. Now question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirt of summer. Should be buy cotton shirt or shirt made up of synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. Rana is advised to buy cotton shirt for summer season because cotton fibers are easily absorb the water or sweat, and the fibers in cotton allow easy evaporation and keep your body cool, whereas synthetic fibers absorbing capacity is less than cotton fibers, so they are uncomfortable to wear in summer. Now give example to show that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. Plastics are non-corrosive in nature. They do not react if they come in contact with strong chemicals. For example, cleaning chemical that we use at home are stored in plastic bottle instead of metal containers. When iron items are exposed to moisture, they get rusted, but plastic does not rust. Plastic containers are used to store all type of food, unlike aluminium container. Now, should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of same material? Explain your answer. No. The answer is no. The handle and the bristles of toothbrush should be made up of different material. The handle of toothbrush should be hard and strong, so it should be made from plastic, while the bristles should be soft and flexible, so they should be made from nylon. Avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Plastic is non-degradable, so it takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environment pollution. The burning of plastic causes air pollution, and a lot of poisonous gas is released which is harmful to the environment. Plastic bags are harmful to animals like cow. Look food in the garbage and engulf plastic and lead to death of the animal. Now make the items column A correctly with the phrases given in the column B. तो column A है हमारा polyester, तो उसका option होगा D. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Teflon used to make non-stick cookwares. Rayon prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon used for making parachutes and stockings. तो polyester का जो first का होगा option D होगा. Second teflon का होगा C. Rayon का होगा A option. एंड नायलॉन का होगा बी ऑप्शन. Now, manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forest. नेचुरल फाइबर्स जो हमें हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं, प्लांट और एनिमल से मिलते हैं. और सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स में हमें वो मटेरियल नेचुरल फाइबर्स का यूज़ नहीं आ सकता. दस इन टर्न वी कंजर्व फॉरेस्ट विच मे अदरवाइज बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. when we use articles made up of plastic, we also save thousands of trees which otherwise be cut if we use article made up of wood or natural fiber. So manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. So thank you.